Field width customization feature in Drodl-Custom Product Fields. With field width customization, you can enhance visual appeal, improve usability, and enjoy greater flexibility in presenting your product fields, giving you the power to tailor the display of each field according to your preferences. 3 columns in a field opt for a layout where fields span across 3 columns, accommodating up to 3 fields side by side for optimal space utilization. 2 columns 50-50 divide the field into 2 equal width columns, allowing for the placement of 2 fields with 50% width each, ensuring a balanced presentation. 2 columns 70-30 allocate a larger portion of the field to 1 column 70%, while dedicating the remaining space 30% to the other column, providing flexibility in field width distribution. Single columns simplify the layout by displaying the field in a single column, ideal for a focused and streamlined user interface. Now, customize the field width as per your convenience. Install the Drodl Custom Product Fields app for your Shopify store now to unlock limitless product customization possibilities.